What's going on, folks? This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. In this video here, I want to show you basically how to make money, okay, by clicking the like button, okay? Every time you click the like button, imagine if you was able to make $2 to $3 every single time you click the like button. Like $3, like $6. Well, listen, in this short video here, me, Wesley, billion dollar virgin, is getting ready to show you how to make money laying in your bed by clicking the like button here. If you don't believe me, I'm gonna show you proof right now. Check it out. So listen, as you guys will soon realize, this is my YouTube channel here. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, you can always sub. Look, this is my YouTube channel, and those are my pretty green Yeezys here, okay? But listen, you can always sub or like the video if you want more videos like this. It's just so many free ways to make money on the computer. But listen, you have to take action, you gotta be patient, and you gotta work relentlessly. If that's you, you're gonna really enjoy this video here, okay? So basically, let me show you, because I know some of you guys don't believe me, right? You may say, Wesley, come on. Can you really actually make money clicking the like button here? Look at this. You see this right here? On this website right here, they're paying up to $3, $2, $1 just to do simple tasks on the internet here. Look at that. And guess what? For all my international folks, it is worldwide. Anybody can do this, okay? Anybody can do this. Does that make sense? You can do this. And all you have to do is click the like button. Does that make sense? Every time you click the like button or any time that you sign up for one of these tags here, you'll get paid $1, $3, whatever here. Now, let me show you something cool here, because you might be saying, well, Wesley, show me where I can actually click the like button and make money. This is what you do. You go to job name, type in YouTube, okay? And this is the site that you have to go to, okay? Now look at this. This is gonna blow your mind. Pay attention here. YouTube, watch 2 minutes, comment, like, and share, and they're gonna pay you 20 cents. Now, if you're like me, you might say, well, Wesley, can we get paid more? Of course. Go to this button that says most paying, right? Because we want to make the most money right now. Now listen to this video right now. Listen, most paying, okay? That's going to do a sort for me, right? Bada boom, bada bing, okay? $3. Look at that. Auto loan, we say yes. Simple registration. Look at this. In 3 minutes, you'll make $1.70 by doing this task here. Look at that. 3 minutes, you'll make $3. Look at that. Now, listen. This is not for you to get rich, okay? Now, I have over 15 streams of income and many sites like this. I do, not myself, actually, I get people to do it for me. But you, if you're trying to understand the internet marketing industry and trying to understand how people like me are able to buy so many Yeezys, people like me, see all those shoes in there? Well, it's all from the internet marketing industry, okay? And this is the reason why I'm making this type of money, because I have multiple streams of income, okay? Now listen, so this is what you do. Listen, it's worldwide, it's international. You can be in Nigeria, Spain, Canada. It doesn't matter, Timbuktu. Anybody can do this. All you need is a PayPal account, because that's how they pay you. Does that make sense? And what you do here, again, search YouTube. If you want the videos that you can like right now and make money, just type in YouTube. It does a sort, okay? And guess what? It's free to register for this website. All you need is a PayPal account so they can pay you. Now listen, this is all about multiple streams of income. I want everybody right now that's listening to this video to comment your city, your province below. Because what I want to do when I create these type of videos, once you like and sub, I want to create videos to make sure they're in your town, your city, your state, your province, to make sure we all can win together. Listen, no man is an island. That's the reason why I do these free videos and I show you what people like me do backdoor, right? You'll never see this outside of a paid program. But I want to give this to you for free. And once again, thank you for your likes and thank you for your shares. But look here, okay? So that's YouTube. Look at this. This is all YouTube. They're going to pay you 12 cents, 8 cents, 4 cents, 3 cents. Now, I know what you guys think. You say, that's not a lot of money, but it's some money to do nothing. A lot of you have been liking videos right now and not making money, but they're going to pay you money to do this. And guess what? You can do other things, okay? Not just YouTube. They have different tasks that you can do on the internet. You can get your children to do this. Your teenage boy, your teenage girl can do this. If you need some extra cash for gas, do this because it works, okay? Does that make sense? Is everybody with me? Hit the like and share button if I'm giving you massive value right now, okay? Listen, all of you can do this. This will not make you rich, okay? It's not going to make you rich at all. But you can do this, and they pay a ton of money. The name of the website is rapidworkers.com, okay? rapidworkers.com. Can everybody see that? See, what you do is you deposit here. You want them to deposit the money into your bank accounts, right? PayPal deposits only. And listen, do not get a VPN. If you use a VPN, you will be banned from this website here. You don't need a VPN because they do all the countries around the globe. And guess what? It's free to sign up. My username is Billions40. Okay, it's easy to do it. You apply for the jobs and you start doing the taskers, and they start paying you money. Look at that. If I go to most paying here, look at this. Let's do the math here. If I go to the payment here, they're gonna pay me $3 for every 3 minutes, right? So let's pull out the calculator here. I want everybody to pull out their calculator. Let's do the math on this, okay? If this company here, give me a second, I'm trying to find my calculator here. If this company here, it's basically, okay, I'm kind of old school, okay? Look at this. So that's $3 a minute. So if they're gonna pay me $3 every 3 minutes, right? So if I work for 60 minutes, that's 20 times. Basically, it's $20 an hour, okay? $20 an hour if I did this and potentially got paid $3 every 3 minutes, that's $20 an hour. How many of you make $20 an hour? None of you. Most of you don't. Listen, listen, even if you never do this, the online industry right now is booming. You have millions and thousands of websites like this that will pay you tons of money. If you go through my channel, like right now you're on my YouTube channel, if you just browse through my channel, I have thousands of videos that are just like this of ways to make extra income while you're trying to figure out how to make your millions of dollars. Now, if you're anything like me, you know, $4,000 a month, $2,000 a month is cool, but I wanted to make $200,000 a week. Now, the question is, how do you do that? Now, listen, I wasn't always Wesley $1 billion virgin. I used to be Wesley thousandaire virgin, Wesley broke virgin, okay? But let me tell you what I did. I learned how to create products online. Does that make sense to you? Okay? And once I learned how to create products online, I started making money like this, $3,000 a day, $3,000, $3,000. Look at that. This is my account here. Now the question is, how do you do that? You do that by creating products. In the description below, I have a link. I will help you create your first product. It's a link below. I will help you. This is what I do. I took my family out of poverty. I took my mom and dad out of poverty to the point that they never have to work another day in their life. If that's something that you want, listen, I'll leave a link in the description below. But listen, in actuality, I want you to start here. You don't have to click the link below where I can help you create your first product to potentially make your first million right now. But go here first. There's many things on the internet. They will pay you $3 a minute. Who can't do that? $1 every 10 minutes. What are you doing every day? Hello, I'm talking to you, big head. Hit the like button if I just gave you massive value. If you're going to actually do this, hit the like, sub button right now on my channel because it makes sense. It is millions of opportunities on the internet. Open up your big ears, okay? It is millions of ways to make money on the internet. You may say, well, Wesley, what is your YouTube channel? I need to watch more videos from you. Easy, it's right here. Look, Here's the YouTube channel right here. Just type in Wesley $1 billion virgin, and I will lead you, and I will guide you to the land of paradise, okay? So guys, like I said before, Rapid Workers here. Oh, great website, right? It takes about 1 minute to sign up. You're in. Then what you do is you start doing taskers around the internet, basically, to make easy money very quickly here. And it's for USA, international as well. So all countries are open. So listen, if I gave you mass value, if you enjoyed the video, if you're going to actually use the content in the video, and if you appreciate what I'm doing for you right now, I kindly want to ask you to like this video and share it, and I will create more videos. Okay, I will keep creating these videos until your money or your bank account is to the point that you'll never have to work a 9-to-5 job anymore. You'll never have to listen to your BS boss anymore. You'll never have to get up out of your bed at 8 o'clock to drive in your cart, to be in traffic, to work, and to fulfill somebody else's dream. Listen, it's time for you to feel your freaking dream. This is your time. So this is why I'm doing these free videos, even though I charge a lot of money to train people. But I know a lot of people out there, they don't have the type of money to be able to invest in me right now to have me help them. So this is free. Rapid Workers, it won't make you rich, but it will make a couple of dollars if you're consistent on it. It will work. Eventually, you can get somebody else to do this. You can go to Fiverr.com, get other people to do the job for you, and you can make crazy money. And now you have a true business. The website again is rapidworkers.com. This is Wesley, $1 billion virgin. Hold up. I'm sorry, guys. Let me do this right. And let me tell you what I do with all my money. Look, this is what I do. And thank you guys for hitting the like and share button. One day you're going to do it. You're going to buy shoes for no reason, clothes that you would never wear, because this was all about, right? It's all about fulfilling your dream by helping other people fulfill theirs. Hey, listen. Well, let me turn the camera around for a second. Hey. I love you. I appreciate you. This is Wesley, $1 billion virgin. Yes!